Hello, eighth graders. It's January the 11th, Monday, and welcome back to your first day back for the 2021 year. So, this should actually be the end of distance learning. So, hopefully, I get to see you guys every day the rest of this year. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump in today for class. The first thing that we did was turn in our notebooks that contained our vocab. So, if you remember, your vocab cards are supposed to be in your notebooks. Okay. With that being said, it should be that you have your word, and then on the next page it should be your definition. So if you cannot or have not finished that, then you need to make sure you work on it. That was in last week's folder. The other thing that you turned in, if you look on my screen, so let me show you what that looks like. Last week we had an assignment called the Forces in Motion reading packet. So that's in January 4th's folder. When I open it up. So you should have the Forces in Motion guided reading packet. As of right now, when this video is recorded, I will show you who has not yet submitted those. For Bell 1, we have these individuals who have not yet submitted. Okay. For Bell 4, we have these individuals who have not yet submitted. And then in Bell 7, we have these individuals who have not yet submitted. Okay, so make sure you complete that as well. The vocab and this packet, they're the last two grades that are going in for second quarter, so you need to have those in by no later than Wednesday. After that, it becomes 0 since these were assigned during distance learning week. Today, what we're doing is in class, we are actually starting our unit on physics, forces in motion. We actually started working on reading in this week's folder a reading packet, literally when you open up the folder, once Schoology decides to cooperate with me. Just open it up this way. You're working on this motion and forces reading packet. I will record a video after fourth Bell's class that actually goes over the forces and reading packet, at least pages 1 through 3, because that's what you're going to be working on today, is reading pages 1 through 3, and then answering the questions that go into those pages. So you'll notice there's questions in between the reading. What we do is when we read it in class, we highlight some of the important pieces of information, and then we answer the questions that follow. Okay. So keep that in mind as you're doing that. That's your assignment for today. And again, later on today, I will record a version of what we go over in class. That way you can highlight the correct information. That being said, that's all I got for today. Tomorrow we will work on something else. All right, hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.